Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to the @KPK Math for All YouTube channel. Once again, unit number 4, lecture number 3, exercise number 4.2. In previous lecture, we will discuss arithmetic sequence and n term of in arithmetic sequence. But now, in today's lecture, we want to solve some problems regarding arithmetic sequence, which is something like question number 1, find the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, up to so on. Solution: given that here in this question we have given arithmetic sequence, but we have to find the 15 term of the given arithmetic sequence. Given that 2, 5, 8 up to so on. Here in this arithmetic sequence we have given first term means that a1 is equal to 2, and we want to find the common difference, which is d is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. a1 is equal to 2, d is equal to 3, and n is equal to, if we look to the given question, n is equal to 15. Using general term of in arithmetic sequence, which is n is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. But we have to find 15 term. Put the value of a1 is equal to 2, n is equal to 15, or d is equal to 3 to get 15 term. A15 is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Here a15 is equal to, put the value of a1 is equal to 2 plus n is equal to 15 minus 1 into d is equal to 3. Hence 15 term is equal to 2 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 3. 15 term is equal to 2 plus 14, 3s are 42. A15 is equal to 44. Hence the 15th term of the given arithmetic sequence is equal to 44. Now let's come to the question number 2, which is something the first term of an arithmetic sequence is 8. Mean that first term of the arithmetic sequence is equal to 8 and 21st term is equal to 108. Find the 7th term. Solution: given that here in this question we have given first term and 21st term. So first term means that a1 is equal to 8, and then 21st term is equal to 108. Here if you look to this question, here n is equal to 21. to find the seventh term. Before to find the seventh term, we have to find the common difference using general term of an arithmetic sequence or n term of an arithmetic sequence. General term of an arithmetic sequence. N is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of n is equal to 21 here. A21, which is equal to put a1 is equal to 8 plus n is equal to 21 minus 1 into d. A21 is equal to 108, which is equal to 8 plus 21 minus 1, 20d. Shift 8 to the left hand side to get 108 minus 8 is equal to 20d. This implies that 100 is equal to 20d. So divide both sides by 20. Divide both sides by 20. Cancel. This implies that d is equal to 5. Now we want to find the seventh term of the given arithmetic sequence. For this, again using this arithmetic sequence, general term of an arithmetic sequence, n is equal to a 1 plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find the seventh term. So a7 is equal to a1 is equal to 8 plus here n is equal to 7, 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 5. A7 is equal to 8 plus 7 minus 1, 6 multiplied by 5. A7 is equal to 8 plus 6 5 is 30. This implies that A7 is equal to 38. So the seventh term of the given arithmetic sequence is equal to 38. Thanks.